Welcome back, everybody. I've got some special episodes coming up for you. Recently, we had a masterclass from J Massey, aka the Cash Flow Diary. If you've never heard of J Massey, you're going to by the end of this podcast. He came in and did a very special session for the Boostly Academy members, and he wowed everybody. What I want to do is I wanted to take that hour and a half interview, break it down to short little daily segments that you can consume and put into practice for your own business. Some of the videos are going to be very visual. So if you're listening on the audio version, please do jump over to the YouTube channel, type in Boostly J Massey, and you'll be able to see the video version. But most important, what I want for you to do is to see the feedback, to see what he was giving to the host, and then see how you can put it into your own business. If you want to go find out more about Jay, it's at Cashflow Diary. I just want to say a big thank you to Jay for doing this. He's a very busy man. His approach, his method, his why is so powerful, and it was super honest, as he always is. He's very, very popular on the Clubhouse. I appear in a room with him every Thursday at 6 p.m. UK time, and he's always helping and giving, and I just sit back and I am at awe of how clever and the advice he's able to give. It helps me improve as well, which is, I never thought I'd get that from Clubhouse, but Jay gives that. So again, thank you from me to Jay, to the Boostly Academy members, and thank you to you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoy it. Please, as always, send your feedback, mark@boostly.co.uk. And without further ado, let's get on with today's episode.
Okay, this is you?
This is me.
Okay, excellent. Okay. Where's the first guy? Where's the first guy? Did you see this? That was on a delay. It looks like 30 seconds. That's all I'm saying. 30-second delay. Thank you for working on this. I love it.
And one thing, fantastic. Jane has got fantastic email list, fantastic emails.
Yep, she does. Yeah, she focused on that. I can see that. Okay, so some of I think I feel what you're going for, especially with these first three photos. The challenge though is that they're very low resolution. So if you can, I would get some higher resolution photos just because, so they don't look so grainy. Especially with today's phones and any of the iPhones, man, the resolution on those things is so good. I love this food picture, by the way. This over here, not so much, because again, it's off axis and off angle. I to like bedroom shots that are straight on, but we'll get to more. But I just want to contrast this versus the other one we saw from the beginning. She had the delayed pop-up. It looked like it was around 30 seconds. She's got the photos that the gallery photos that are switching, and on each one I want everyone to pay attention to. She's got her credibility sitting at the bottom, and it's different each time, which is again another symbol of trust, because that's one of the first things that we've got to build. Now I don't know where the reviews are, so I find that interesting. That shows up for me as a missing at this moment, like, where are the reviews? Additionally, I would relook at this. Your banner is just way too large up here. So that's a lot of valuable screen real estate that could be better used in some other way. And now up here, we have lots of choices. All right. What was really good about the other website is that there was a choice, right? There was a choice. Here, I'm feeling like there's just too many choices, and I would explore a different menu or directory system up here. Again, do you have Hotjar or something that shows you where the heat maps is, where people are clicking?
No, I don't, but I will do by tomorrow.
I love that attitude. Yes, because moving at the speed of instruction is what we call it. I get excited for that. My guess is that there are only a few of these up here that people are actually clicking on that really don't need to be here. And you'll begin to learn a lot about what people are clicking on as well. Plus, I don't know if you've realized, but you've got Book My Stay up here as well as right here. And again, there's just a lot of wasted space here. And don't get me wrong, I like your photos. I like what you're doing. I'm almost, though, going to say I would prefer to see it more in a framed style, because I don't know if you've seen where they have, 3 or 4 photos in a frame, but not all of them have to be the same shape and size. That would at least be a little bit more lively. And ultimately, you've got a lot of red and green, and all I can think of is Christmas. And I'm like, I don't think that's what she's after, but it's what it evokes. It's so everywhere. And that's fine. I'm just letting you know that if that was intentional, great. If not, then consider. Of all these awards, I still would like to see reviews from real people that have stayed here.
Yeah, that should be on there somewhere. I don't know why it's not on the homepage. It's obviously dropped off and I don't even know about it.
Yeah, I was wondering why I wasn't on the homepage myself.
Yeah.
Stop that. There we go. There we go.
Wait. I see it. But do you understand the problem? Do you see how the problem is? It's so small.
Yeah.
The problem is that it's so small that we were looking for it and had to find it.
Yeah. And it's my own site.
Yes, exactly. So this is right here, this free guide. Do you have a video version of this?
No, but I can. Yeah.
Okay. So what I would love is a video version of this, even if it's only voiceover and you just flipping through the photos, talking about it.
Okay.
That would be so great, to say the least. And then you know what? Because you're on an island, aren't you?
We're in Wales, so I'm on a peninsula.
Yeah. Okay. So it's hard to get to you, right?
Yes, it is. It's a long way to get to us.
So here's one of the things that I was thinking about for you, and others, you might want to pick this up too. There's a company out here. It's called Multitasker. What they literally build is a VR version of the inside of of your place, so that so someone could come to your site on an Oculus headset and literally, quote unquote, walk around in a VR space. Because you're hard to get to, I think that to your advantage to use. And these are the guys that do it. Then now, obviously, they do it for construction and all kinds of things like that. But repurposing it for our purposes makes a ton of sense too, especially since you have, where did it go? This guide. I'm willing to bet that. Do you have a drone?
No, but I wrote drone in big capital letters earlier.
You've got too much green, pretty puffins and bird. You've got to get this place shot from above so that people go, you want those photos where people stare at it. Like you do in the morning sometimes. You look and you're like, oh my God, I can't believe I live here. That's what you want me to say when I look at your photos.
I forgot to warn everybody just before we started that Jay is a drone fan. I've seen the proof on his vlogs. He loves the drone. He loves the drone. So he's mentioned it 2 out of 3 reviews. I'm amazed he didn't mention it for poor James. So drone.
Yeah. Okay. So, hold on. So there's a number. What is that? Interesting. So you've got. Well, okay. So the puffins are a thing. Is that like why people come out there?
That's a huge thing. Yeah.
Then how come?
That's my fudge.
I'm just gonna ask: are puffins green?
No, puffins are black.
Yeah, I didn't think they were. I'm just trying to understand the Christmas tree for the logo and the you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's because I got a massive fir tree in the garden.
Oh, but the puffins. You said the puffins.
Yes. Yeah, but puffins are also huge here as well.
Yeah, yes, but all the more reason, because what's more likely to be typed in a search engine? Puffins?
Puffins, definitely.
Okay, so let's leverage what's going to be typed in the search engine anyway.
Yep.
I mean, because you and what's really interesting to me, because this is what got my attention. Buy your tickets online to see the puffins.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Do you realize that this is at the bottom of the page?
Yeah, I do now. Yeah.
I'm like, okay. If that is supposed to be a thing, and because I'm not seeing, I mean, maybe I missed it. Yeah, no puffins.
So yeah, fair point. Yes, absolutely. Fresh pair of eyes. Thank you.
Just don't go flying a drone near those poor puffins.
No, absolutely not. I'll get fired.
I understand. I'm just trying to point out Oftentimes we don't leverage the things because, again, I live in Southern California. I really have no desire to go to Disneyland. I don't. And I know that's why people are coming. So guess what? I start mentioning Disneyland because it's why they're coming anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there's no sense in me taking the time to mention something else when you're coming for Disneyland.
Yeah.
That's why you're coming. So I'm going to leverage that to my advantage as much as I possibly can. And that is what I don't see. And it looks like, yeah, I like, and I love the fact that you have your own products and stuff, but puffins first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because that's why they're coming. And then, like I said, you evoke a lot of thoughts of Christmas with between the color schemes and the logo. And I'm just like, well, maybe that's intentional, but it's not why they're coming.
No, that's right. Yeah.
Does that help you?
Absolutely. Yeah. I've written loads of things down and I'll go back on the video. That was brilliant. Thank you.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.